In this video, we're going to install Node.js. If you already have Node.js installed, feel free to skip this video and move on to the next one. If you've never used Node.js before, it is an open source runtime environment which runs JavaScript code on a server. Many of the tools and modules you're going to use to build your server will require Node.js, so it's very essential that you install it. In fact, if you're ever building a web server, most likely you'll always need Node.js as it makes up one of the 4 components of the main stack. Anyway, inside of nodejs.org, go to the Downloads tab. And since I'm using a Mac, I'm going to download the Macintosh installer. Once it's done downloading, I'm going to open the package. And now all you have to do is just keep pressing continue, agree to the terms and conditions until you finish installing it. I've already done all of this, so I'm not going to reinstall Node.js, so feel free to ask me in the Q&A section if you have any trouble finishing up the installation. Alright, I'm assuming by now you've finished installing Node.js. If you're using a Mac, go to your terminal. If you're using a PC, you would go to your command prompt. I believe that's what it's called. And if you type node-v, you'll see the version of Node we installed, so right here you know that you've successfully installed Node. Now write npm-v to see the npm version. npm is the Node Package Manager. This Node Package Manager is used to install various dependencies and frameworks onto our project, our server. We're going to be using npm very often, so make sure that an npm version shows up when you type this command. And that is all for installing Node.js.